My name is IJ Kitchen and I want to thank my old subscriber and God bless you. And for the new one that is passing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click like, comment, and press the notification. But today's recipe, I want to show you how to prepare. Today I want to show you I prepare my fried rice. This is my Christmas fried rice. Okay. This is my spices. I'll be using mangi, salt, dried onion and garlic, fresh one. You see it, thyme and everything is there. I want to be adding it to my turkey. My curry powder, I'll still be using some curry powder. I use it to boil my meat. I want it to be yummy. Let's go. I'm adding all the spices inside. I just add everything. I still add some turmeric powder, mixed with ginger and other things, just small. I need to mix it before putting it on the fire. You need to mix it good. I want the ingredients to go inside first. I just add my onion and my little salt. Let's go. These are the ingredients I'm going to be using. This is green beans. I'm using liver. These are the ingredients I'm going to be using. This is red paprika. These are all type of green beans. Carrots, green pepper. It's green before turn yellow. This is my green paprika. These are the ingredients I'm going to be using. I'll say add some. I'm going to be adding my onion.
You know, I think I'll tell you the story of my life.
Tell me. I want to hear too.
I was born in Animus, North Dakota, a long time ago.
I'm adding my
Now I'm lucky enough to be
sea fish.
What type
Which is like crayfish. I mean, I know I'm for.
Well, it went pretty much like this.
My fried rice is ready. I now want to be adding my curry powder. But the rice is much. I'll add my powder man. I need to blend this my paprika, the green one. Blend it. This rice is going to be yummy and delicious. I'm going to be adding one. I'm going to add my green paprika. Just add my salt. Just cover it. Oh wow. Okay, please. I want to show you what I'm still using. Butter to prepare my fried rice. If you want your fried rice yummy, oh my god, try it. I'm adding my butter because the rice is smelly. I'm adding my butter. Wow, now I just have my oil to start frying my ingredients with my onion, white onion and purple onion. Adding my carrots. Fry everything together. Yeah, I love it too. This is my green beans. This is the liver. My green beans is ready.
Now you can take it first. Now this one is tango you make. And that one you make something.
I'm not going to do sandwich, okay?
Please.
Then they like it. Bono. Eh, I'm here no ya bono. Bono. Ma bono umine.
1:13. Yeah, it's 12:13 here.
Thank you, Miracle. That's it. Come and join me.
Join me or not. This is my channel, okay? It's both of us. All of us. Video is my channel.
Tell them to subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe my channel. And then mommy is like a big head
Big girl. My sister have big girl, is it true?
Yes. And mommy send it for people.
Yeah, I'm sending it now.
Other people.
Yeah, everybody. Yeah, everybody.
And Iman. Mommy and me. And Iman.
What do you care for? Which drink do you care for?
Yes. I love you.
I love you too.
I love you. I can put everything. I'll give you.
Guys, my fried rice is ready. Please try it. Try this pattern. Oh, it's so yummy and delicious.
And I love you.
I love you too, my son.
Yeah.
Wow, we're about to eat.
Everything.
Wow.
I have to eat everything.
Bono.
See.
That's a bono.
One. Mommy.
Buon appetito.
Mommy, I put.
Wow.
Mommy, I put.
Oh, sorry,
Daisy.
Daisy, use one, please.
Mommy, I put
Look at Daisy. Daisy, bono.
Mommy, I don't need.
Daisy, sweet.
Mommy, I do like this. I miss.
You miss it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go.
Wow. Merry Christmas.
There's a Christmas banana.
You can see my rice, so delicious. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Wow. I said bono. Eh? Sweet.
No.
There's I know.
Mommy, sweet.
My sweet me no ya or wa sweet bango.
Mommy is good. Sweet.
Yeah, eat your food. Let's go.
Sweet.
Go.
Mommy, I want you to put this one.
Bye bye.
What is this?
Thanks for watching. Wow. And subscribe to my YouTube channel.
No, it's my channel.
That is your channel. This is mine.
No, it's mine.
Okay. It's yours, not mine.
That's mine. It's my channel.
Okay.
I
Okay. Bye bye. Okay. Are you
an
joining?
animal.
All the people.
I said YouTube.
That's a thousand.
And now I'm
All the
lucky enough to
people.
be here.
Yeah, that's a thousand.
Wow. Ciao.
Well, it went pretty much like this.
If you were on the Christmas day.